first ritual in the morning? Abhisheka. When we get up, what do we do?
Take bath.
From today, tomorrow morning, what will we do? We will do Abhisheka. When we are taking bath, just that awareness, there is this intelligence in my body. So I am actually doing Abhisheka to my own self. When I am eating, when I am drinking tea, I am doing Naivedya to this self. When I am eating, I am giving Naivedya to this self. So just that switch in awareness. When I am sitting in my car or scooter and I am driving, I am doing Rathotsava. Taking God around everywhere in the chariot. That awareness. Remember, we don't know. See, anything we do, we don't know what is happening. We take it for granted, that's all. I am walking, but actually I am not walking. But intelligence inside me is making me walk. Even one nerve connection is gone, I am paralyzed. I take it for granted. So from tomorrow, from this minute, we are not going to take it for granted. So first connector is the body. Remember, Sheikh Sahib.
Breaths.
Sheikh Sahib.
Second one, you have done 1 hour of it before we started.
Breaths.
Yeah?
Breath, yes.
Breath. Now even in the breath, there is a little more subtle secret. What were we doing when we were doing Anapanasati meditation here? Before starting, what did we do? What were we doing? Actual activity, what did we do?
Observing the breath.
Observing the breath. We observed inhalation, exhalation. Okay? So now, just for 2 minutes, we are going to go little more subtly into that same exercise. Maybe some of you are already doing it, either knowingly or unknowingly. We will do it with full awareness. In the Shiva Sutra, Shiva says, I am the gap between the inhalation and exhalation, and the gap between the exhalation and inhalation. If you just observe how you breathe, inhale, there is a small gap. You don't consciously hold your breath, but there will be a small transition period, and then you breathe out. Again, small pause, you breathe in. No consciously holding the breath, but actually we are doing it all the time. So can we now close our eyes for 2 minutes, sit up straight. You can take the same position that you took for the meditation. Don't lean back against your chair for 2 minutes because your lungs do not operate at full capacity. So just sit up, start observing your breath. Focus on the gap between the inhalation and exhalation, and on the gap between the exhalation and inhalation. If thoughts come, don't worry, just keep on focusing on the gap.